Ready to make moving your photos a piece of cake? We're talking about effortless iPhone photo transfers, and it's easier than you think. Whether it's to a new iPhone, or just transferring them to another device, we've got the perfect solutions. Let's explore the options. First up, iCloud. It's your easy-peasy, cloud-based solution, especially if you have enough available storage on your old iPhone. Find Settings. Tap your name at the top. Then tap iCloud. Make sure Photos is toggled on. This starts the upload. Give it some time. It depends on the size of your photo library. Now for the magic. On your new iPhone, repeat those steps. Settings. Tap your name, iCloud, and toggle Photos to on. Watch your memories download automatically. Just ensure both phones are connected to Wi-Fi and charging, and you'll be all set. Next up, AirDrop. This is your speed demon for quick transfers. Open Control Center on both phones and make sure both AirDrop settings are set to everyone or contacts only, depending on comfort level. On your old iPhone, open the Photos app and select the pictures you'd like to share. Tap the share icon, and your new iPhone should appear in the AirDrop section. Tap it, and the transfer will initiate. Accept the transfer on your new phone. Lastly, let's try using your computer. Connect both iPhones to your computer with the Lightning cables. Open Finder on a Mac or File Explorer on Windows. There, you should see both iPhones listed under Devices. When looking at your newer iPhone, find Internal Storage and then the DCIM folder. There, you have your photos. Simply drag them to a folder or to the newer iPhone to transfer them. Grant necessary permissions when asked. You've done it. Now you have your photos. Choose the method that works best for you. iCloud is convenient, AirDrop is quick, and computers offer control. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly copy your photos. For more helpful tips like these, subscribe for more iPhone-related content.